Good morning. Today I wish to talk about recycling and what we do in our country is store paper. Not store, sorry. We recycle paper, we collect it and we put it into the paper bin. And here we have plastics, all sorts of plastic. This has been overflowing, but it goes into the plastic bin. And bottles and food containers and all those goes. And here I've got onion skins. And why am I collecting onion skins? No, not collecting. It's going to go into the compost bin. I've also leftover tomatoes. This was from our garden last year, but they are going into the compost bin. And here I have got, last year the neighbor gave me some pears, so I made a dessert out of the pears and carrot skin, banana skin, and a little bit more of the tomato. All this came from our garden last year, but for vegetables we are supposed to keep it for a year. I could have bottled them, but I didn't. So it's going into the compost bin. Someday, in a future day, we will show you how we make compost. It deteriorates, and after a year you can use it to fertilize your garden plot of land or pots with flowering plants, and that is what we do for compost. So I hope you found this interesting. The next time that I talk to you about composting and recycling, it will be going to the bin area where we throw our things, and also to the compost bin. Hope you like this short video. Okay.